Have you ever wondered why your vegetables won't grow? Does your soil look like the Grim Reaper? Buy our microbe soil today, full of all the microbes you need.
Wait, what? Microbes, what are they?
Microbes are single-celled organisms.
Aren't those just germs?
My, young one, aren't we a bit behind the times today? Yes, bacteria are indeed microbes. And so are fun guys. Indeed, I'm a fun guy.
Aren't they just dirty germs too?
Dirty germs? Don't be so insensitive to the poor little guys.
Okay, but how does any of this help us? We can't even see them.
Of course not. They were here way before us humans, and they're everywhere. In fact, some are even on you. Right now. In fact, did you know that the bacteria housed in your own body outnumber your own cells by 10 to 1?
Wait,
and that
what? 10 to 1? Anyway, Doc, how are these microbes gonna help my poor dying veggies?
Oh yes, how capital. Well, you see, they are important because they are essential in recycling nutrients, especially the ones your plants need to grow.
Are you sure they're not gonna make me sick?
Not at all. The bacteria that we have put in this just for you and your plants are 1000% non-pathogenic.
Really?
It's gonna be super beneficial. Do you want to know how beneficial?
No.
Well, to answer that question, here is Caitlin.
Hi, Scotty.
Hey Caitlin, so aren't you our plant expert?
Yes, I am.
Capital. Well then, what are you going to teach us about plants today?
I'm going to teach you about the nitrogen cycle. Plants need nitrogen and carbon to grow. Now, nitrogen, also known as N2, is all around us. It makes up 80% of our atmosphere. Isn't that amazing? But plants can't easily access this, and they need nitrogen to build their proteins and replicate DNA and just generally function.
So Caitlin, how do plants get the nitrogen that they need?
Plants use the nitrogen compounds nitrate and ammonia. These are found in the soil.
But how do they get into the soil?
The nitrogen cycle!
Ah yes, the nitrogen cycle. The process in which nitrogen is converted between its many forms. Do you want to know how it goes?
No.
Well...
The nitrogen in the air is converted in the soil to nitrate in a process called nitrogen fixation.
Or it is converted into ammonia by a process called ammonification.
This is done by microbes such as Clostridium and Micrococcus.
Then it can also be changed back into nitrogen in another process called denitrification. This is the conversion of nitrite to dinitrogen.
So what do the bacteria do?
They solve the problem. They're the ones that carry out these important processes.
So what about carbon?
The carbon is absorbed in by the trees so they can make their food.
It gets into the ground when organic matter, such as leaves or animals, decompose.
That's how carbon gets into the soil.
Do the bacteria need carbon?
That's right, they do. They need it to respire.
So having bacteria is actually super beneficial for my plants.
Whilst plants need nutrients to feed on and survive, they also need other supplements to maximize their health and deliver you benefits.
It's like a probiotic protein shake for your garden. Except, not only will it make your plants and veggies stronger, it will improve their hormones. And it will also reduce those nasty pathogens attacking your veggies.
This also improves the root system of your plants, while bettering the soil and its structure and reducing dirty contaminants that may be present.
And not only do you need bacteria for this, but you need fun guys such as Ampelomyces, Coniotherium, and Trichoderma. So buy Micromeal today to be the envy of all your neighborhood friends. Call 13 Micromeal. That's 13 Micromeal. First 100 callers get a free trial. So call today.